Ethereum, BNB, or other cryptocurrencies. Yeah, so what we are doing here is essentially not telling you should buy this, you should buy that. We are telling you that, oh, these are the information, maybe you want to take a look, and then you make your own decision, and then if anything happens, we can't help it. We are not going to be like Elon Musk. The price should be this much, and then it go down. No, we are not going to do that. Yeah.
And let me continue with the article. As Mr. Nicholas said to us about who's the miner, the mining companies such as Agro and T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m is maybe one of the largest miner in North America, and they had the Bitcoin mining council. They agreed to form this council, and they try to promote the energy reduces transparency and accelerate sustainability initiatively worldwide. In this, after this, I think the North American miner, they try their best to control the total mining hash rate nowadays, because they are afraid. Currently in China, one of the largest mining boom in the world now, because if the miner in China has some issue, has some problem, like last month when the power supply had turned off, suddenly all the Bitcoin price also dropped because of the miner in China have some issue with the power.
There's quite something, when you turn off the power, you can't do mining when the power is off.
Because last month we hear the news of the ghost mining in China have some issue. And then it's also turned the price of crypto drop, and a lot of people are asking why is drop, and now today why is go up. It's so funny.
Why it drop? You ask that, it's okay, but why it go up? Please, if you see it go up, just earn money,
And then we go to the next article. Is about scaling this one with the Ethereum co-founder, and because the scaling the Dogecoin is this article is also from yesterday, because Elon Musk also had been criticized by Vitalik because of the 10x of the dog scaling proposal.
Yes.
And why this is a bad idea. This one, because if he say that scaling 10x more than Ethereum, it look like he doesn't know anything about the blockchain. Something, of course, when the CEO they try the best to make the product be better. Of course, there's some. What, Mr. Nicholas, you have something to share?
When I say, this guy probably don't know anything, maybe if I'm him, I'll rephrase. It's not because Elon Musk don't know anything, because he don't need to know anything. He has money.
That's right. That's
enough to influence the market.
That's right. That is a reason the price, he tried the best to promote to make the price of crypto up. And then this is good, and it also have the little bit hard for the community or developer to fulfill his requirement. And then another article about the SEC chairman advice. Yeah, this is also the good news. Recently, we see a lot of. Last week, we saw so many FUD field news, and now today we see some of the positive news. We know what is happening. Yeah, they try the best.
Okay, give me 5 seconds for this. Just by reading the title alone, anybody would think of the same thing, you know. Former SEC chairman is advising the latest Bitcoin ETF contender. Under Jay Clayton's watch, SEC rejected a number of Bitcoin ETFs.
Applications.
Now he's helping one river try and get one approved. It's like, okay, under this dude, a lot of ETF Bitcoin ETFs are being rejected, and now you're trying to get one approved. So is there a conflict of interest somewhere, or do you have some interest in the company or something like that? I don't know. Anyone who read this title will be thinking the same thing. Of course, let's look at the article in details, please.
Yeah, this is a brief of the article. Yeah. One River Asset Management is the latest company to file an application to SEC. Yeah, and it looks like Leighton, who previously rejected during
He's now an advisor to One River.
Yeah.
So this SEC ex-chairman is actually this Jay Clayton guy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
so
now
previously this same guy rejected a number of ETF applications.
Yeah.
So now he's helping. Right. Yeah. Because he's already not with SEC anymore. Yeah.
Yeah. That's why that is the reason why during 2016 until now, until he retires, until he step up SEC chairman, all the application is rejected. And at that time, we hear the news. SEC rejected the ETF Bitcoin ETF application again, and the price of Bitcoin go down. Yeah, when the price go down, they send out the news like that, and some of the companies say that don't worry, we will re-application again. Yeah, it looks like the game to try. Yeah, that's
they're playing their own game with their own monopoly board, you know.
That's right. Yeah. Also, this is one of the news to make the people feel more formal about the crypto. Yeah. And here's some of the positive news about the South Korea to kick off the digital currency experiment this summer. Yeah.
That's a good news.
Yeah, this is good news.
I mean, just this title alone, it makes people feel excited, you
know. Yeah. Because we know in Korea, in South Korea, so many crypto nodes are there, and they do a lot of the crypto transaction. They hold so many crypto nodes. It means so many crypto nodes, and they do trading in this. Yeah, and here's this new look like South Korea government is spend more time on the digital currency in the CBDC on their own. Yeah. And the digital carry on to start. And we also can hear the device. Yeah, also the positive news of the Wharton University. Do you remember there's last week we have the news about some of the sponsor. He sent the money donate to the student during when the Bitcoin go down. Yeah, this.
Oh yeah. There was one article like that.
Yeah, this is this article is support about the DeFi can transfer global finance. This university in Venezuela, yeah, and then they say that the University of Pennsylvania has published an assessment for decentralized finance. Why not think that this is the potential transform global payment. Yeah, this new is look like they after they receive the donation, yeah, and they say something good about the DeFi and let the student to focus on this, do more research on this. Yeah. Okay, we go to the Cointelegraph. In the Cointelegraph, I found this is very interesting news about the Goldman Sachs crypto stock. It says, yeah.
Crypto stock solves volatility issue. Yeah. So actually, it's true to a certain extent. If they lose money here in traditional market or fiat market, then they can make some back from crypto market.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Yeah.
That's reason why during the bear market, I also share to our audience about keep calm because there's a correction in the traditional market, and then the correction may move forward to crypto market also, and the money flow this will flow to another. It means it flow from the higher to go from the lower, and then the price of a crypto it should be balanced with the traditional market. And now we see when the Bitcoin go down, the gold price go up. Yeah, it's look like that. And I would like to share to all of you is Bitcoin rainbow price charts. It's so interesting because it's it's shared to you, it's shared to our audience to know when is a good time to sell or good time to hold.
Wow.
You know the red color. The red color is a bubble. The red color is a maximum bubble theory.
Okay, what price did it start from actually?
This chart is chart from
I want to see the
2013.
date. What 2013?
Yeah, 2013.
Right.
You can see when the price bubble on when the Bitcoin price around 1,002.
All right. Right.
Yeah, this one people they believe this is a bubble and that's at that time the price drop.
Yeah.
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 This is a rainbow chart, and some of the trader don't. It's been used for the long term trader. They know when they see the rainbow, they can guess. Oh, should I sell or buy, or should I hold? Yeah. Example, based on this charts on the 20, yeah. If I see, I can guess when should I sell. Example, on 2022, on 2022, yeah. 2022, the late of the December 2021, if the price of the Bitcoin maximum is around 179,000 per coin, yeah, that is a bubble. So people should sell. Yeah, it's look like that, and we see the current.
Yeah. I need to add a little bit thing. So a lot of people they are very fearful. So I would suggest sorry, I would suggest that try not to reach the red before you sell. You can reach the orange and then you can start selling.
Yeah, that's because orange is a bubble, right? When
Yeah.
they see if it's around orange, yeah, it's around 59, and yeah, and they say, when it's yellow, it's a whole color. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can
Yellow
see.
color.
If it's if this December is around 64, it's also still the whole color. But if the bubble go up to 88 or 90,000, yeah, it's a bubble and people they start sell.
Yeah.
But sometimes,
I think this chart is a very good chart for a lot of people because they usually couldn't see this kind of patterns. So it's kind of good to have this kind of chart actually.
Yeah. You not only Bitcoin, you also can have a look on Ethereum too. Yeah. Let me go to this chart is on the blockchaincenter.net. They all use German
German
language. They use the
what? German language.
Yeah. Let me see. Let's see the Ethereum rainbow charts. Yeah, with the Ethereum rainbow charts, we also see similar like this.
Yeah.
And
oh, you see that line that crossed below the blue? Oh, that's the time you should start buying.
This is around 2000. Previously, it's go to the around 4003, and it hit the orange and it's go back. Oh, if it's orange like it, they say go back to BTC. Yeah. It's like it, go back to BTC.
Yeah, actually, you look at how BTC price and ETH price has been moving.
Yeah, that's right.
At some point when ETH was still high, BTC was already going low.
Yeah.
So I guess that's why they suggest, go back to BTC at when ETH price reach certain point. I think that makes a lot of sense. So.
This chart is also show to us when is a halving time, like on 2024 is a halving period.
Halving, yeah.
The halving period, and the people will. But in the chart, it show to us on 2022. In the end of this year, the price is maybe if it's a bubble is maybe 77, or if it's
that's the price it should be going to.
yeah, and if in the FOMO, when people feel FOMO in the beginning of next year, it's maybe 100,000. Yeah, it's possible to be like that. Yeah.
I think when they say FOMO intensify, I think this is a very interesting perspective that a lot of people didn't really consider, because those people with FOMO feelings, fear of missing out, at a certain point they'll just jump in. So this is something that all you listeners out there, you should consider as well. Not everything that big name says means everything. Sometimes you have to look at the emotions of the investors as well. So when they see the price of a certain crypto went to a certain point, they start to have this FOMO feeling, and then they start buying.
When I see in the chart on 2024, it's look like next 3 years. In the whole, in the whole is the price maybe 144. Yeah, it's also the good growing charts to let the people to think about their long-term investment. Because if you compare with the 2013 in the 4 years, every 4 years from 2013 helping here, and 2016, 17, 2020, it's growing like this. So it's very interesting for the other people think more about this. Okay, and I think now it's time for us to reveal all information to our audience, and we we also share to you the chart in the rainbow light chart. You can
Very interesting chart.
do your research and you guess. That means give your own decision about your investment and buying in crypto. And after that, I also would like to share to all of you to know, let of you to know about the Xeonbit project. About if you don't know about this, you can go to the CoinMarketCap and you search to our crypto, our Xeonbit, XNB, and XNS, and XNP. And if you want more information, just let us know, and we are happy to share to all of you about this. Yeah, currently you can see this the trading chance and the price. Yeah, it's still too cheap to jump in, and of course during the rise of crypto, our crypto also have some little bit correction, and then now it's on the movement way. Yeah, because we also have some liquidity on this exchange, and you can have a look on it. Yeah, and Mr. Nicholas, do you have anything to say to our audience before we complete our live stream this morning?
Once again, yeah, thank you for joining us. Invest safely, do a lot of reading, do a lot of information input into your mind, and of course, let not your emotions overtake you or overwhelm you. Yeah, so if you feel that the price has gone high enough for you to sell and you already make some money, go ahead and do that. It's all up to you. So we are all doing this for information, not advisors. So at least we know what are the things that's going on in the world right now when crypto is concerned. Yeah. So I hope you guys made a lot of money and are going to make a lot more money later. Yeah. So 31,000, 38,000. That is like 7,400 margin. I don't know what's the price now, but 211 to 348. That is $130 over margin. Oh, that is like 50% margin, you know? Yeah. So 1758 to 2622. That is like nearly $1,000 margin. So there's a lot of margin to be made here. Yeah. So as much as investment is concerned, for investors, we all try to look at things in a little bit more positive manner, but also we safeguard ourselves from hefty losses, right? So at this price, 31,000 to 38, that's no brainer. You can just buy in at 30 plus and then sell at 38, you know. Yeah, so I hope you guys made a lot of money. Yeah, so let me try this again. It was stuck the other time. Thank you all for joining us.